This is how you reset the PIN for the voicemail on your iPhone. And if you get value from this video, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for that. Let's go to the settings. And here we're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and we'll tap on Apps. Then we'll tap on the P on the right-hand side, or you can scroll down to the P section and then tap on Phone. Now scroll to the very bottom, and we have an option to change voicemail password. The password is essentially a PIN code because it's just a number code. And this is where you reset your PIN. You enter a new one. It's got to be at least 4, but you can make it longer. And then tap that blue check mark. You might have to enter it again to confirm, so you get it right both times so the phone knows you know what you're doing. Then you have a new PIN code for your iPhone's voicemail. And that's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's super important that you do it. So check out that video and make it happen. I'll see you there.